Hello and welcome to Glenfair Elementary School. We're so glad that you're here and we want to do everything we can to make your school year great. One of the ways we keep the school running smoothly is we use a system at school called CHAMPS that lets students know what the adults in the building need from you to make the day, the week, the month, and the year the best that it can. CHAMPS is an acronym. That means the letters of the word all stand for something. It works like this. The C stands for conversation, or how loud you can be talking. The H stands for help, like how you'll get help if you need it. The A stands for activity. That's what you'll be doing. The M is for movement. That lets you know how you'll move around in the classroom and the building. The P stands for participation. That's how the adults will know you're doing the right thing. And the S stands for signal. That's what we'll do to get your attention if we need it. Together, all the letters remind you of what we expect from you at Glenfair. To make it all work, there are two other things, though, that you need to know. The first is voice levels. At our school, we use a numbering system for how loud you can be at school. It works like this. 0 means no talking, like when your teacher is showing you something new in class. 1 means a whisper or quiet voice that only the people right next to you can hear. 2 means you're talking in a regular voice, maybe it's your table group in the classroom. 3 means you're talking loud enough for your whole class to hear, maybe if you're sharing an idea or giving a speech to your class. 4 is for when you're outside and it's recess time. The other thing you need to know is our signal at school for getting kids to be quiet and pay attention. It works like this. An adult will stand in front of the class or a big group, raise their hand, and in a level 3 or 4 voice ask, "May I have your attention, please?" That's your hint that we need you to stop talking and pay attention to the adult who said, "May I have your attention, please?" Let's take a look at a few scenarios. That's a big word for examples that will show you how it all works together. Maybe you're sitting in your class and your teacher is teaching the whole group a new idea. Your conversation level will probably be at a 0. How you get help will be that you raise your hand to ask your teacher a question. The activity might be that you're taking notes on what your teacher is talking about. The M would be that you're sitting in your seat. And the P, or participation, would be that you're listening quietly to what your teacher is saying. Finally, the signal will be, "May I have your attention, please?" Here's another one. Maybe you're at recess playing. Your conversation level might be a 4 because you're outside. How you get help might be that you find a noon duty or your teacher to get their assistance out while you're there. The A, or activity, might mean that you're swinging or playing soccer or playing tetherball. The M, or movement, could be almost anything you could think of: skipping, jumping, hopping. And the P will be that you're having fun and moving around and participating at recess. Finally, if the adults need your attention outside, we might blow a whistle to tell you to freeze. Or if we're loud enough, we might say, "May I have your attention, please?" Hopefully you get how CHAMPS will work at school, and in future videos, we'll show you how it works in lots of different areas like the hallway, cafeteria, bathrooms, and buses. Again, welcome to Glenfair Elementary School. We're so excited to have you and look forward to a fabulous year. Go Grizz!